But today, the dreams of people throughout the world hang in the balance. Climate change threatens hard-won peace, prosperity, opportunity for billions of peoples. Today, we must set the world on a new course. Climate change is a defining issue of our age. It's defining our present. Our response will define our future. We must cut emissions. Science says they must peak by 2020 and decline sharply thereafter. By the end of this century, we must be carbon neutral. We must not emit more carbon than our planet can absorb. No one is immune from climate change, not even these United Nations headquarters, which were flooded during Superstorm Sandy.